Dangote just did it again. This stock is a beast. Big news just dropped. Dangote Cement has officially expanded into Ivory Coast. And trust me, what's happening behind the scenes could make investors a lot of money. Listen up. Let me break it down for you in few seconds of pure gold. First, the expansion. Dangote Cement just launched operations in Ivory Coast, a massive 50-hectare plant with a jaw-dropping 3 million tons per year capacity. Yes. Now that makes it one of the group's largest facilities outside Nigeria. And Ivory Coast now becomes the 11th African country to host a Dangote Cement plant. Altogether, the group's total production across Africa now stands at 55 million tons per year. That's serious dominance right there. Now let's talk numbers, because numbers don't lie. In the first half of 2025 alone, Dangote Cement raked in 2.07 trillion naira in revenue, up 17.7% year on year. Pre-tax profit up 149% to 730 billion. Profit after tax, a mind-blowing 520.4 billion. That's 174% up. And guess what? They did this with slightly lower sales. The secret: strong cost control, lower finance expenses, and a fat 59% gross margin. Operating profits stood tall at 810.98 billion naira, up 47% year on year. That's what I call strategic efficiency. But here is where it gets even more interesting. Dangote Cement has been quietly buying back its own shares. In January 2022, they repurchased 170 million shares, and again on July 17, 2023, they bought another 168.7 million shares. Now, if you are wondering, why would a company buy its own stocks? Listen up, I'll give you further breakdown. A share buyback reduces the number of shares in the market, which means earnings per share grows faster, return on equity improves, and shareholder value increases over time. It's basically Dangote saying, listen, we believe in our stocks more than anyone else. Why it matters to you as an investor? I'll give you more details. This move helps optimize their balance sheet, reduce cost of capital, and boost long-term investor returns. And here is a fun fact. As of January 2nd, just last year, 2024, the stock traded as high as 763 naira per share. That's right around the time billionaire Femi Otedola was loading up big time. You see the point now? So if you are looking at the current price around 585 naira, which it closed yesterday, you are still early to the party, even though some of my followers and myself got in at 400 naira plus a few months ago. So is Dangote Cement one to watch in 2026? I can tell you absolutely, if not even sooner. This stock isn't just solid, it's cemented for greatness. Drop a thumbs up in the comments if you believe in the power of stocks on the international stage as well. And follow me for more real investing breakdowns that turn headlines into profits. Are you among those who bought when I mentioned it? What was your entry price? Let me know also in the comments.